How to receive international payments with Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to get paid from overseas without dealing with high fees and bad exchange rate, well, in this video I'll show you how to receive international payment using the Wise step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the account tab or just tap on open a balance, and after that you can simply pick the currency in which you want to receive a payment, like for USD, GBD, EUR or AUD and much more. And here, once your balance is created, you can just tap get account details, and Wise will give you local banking info for that country. And here your details act like a local account even if you don't live in that country. So here you can share this account details with the person or platform that's sending you money, whether it's a client, company, friend or freelance site. And you can receive from employers, freelance platforms, clients and customers, friends and family abroad, and most transfers are treated as local payment, meaning fewer or no fees for the sender. And once the money arrives, you can either hold it in that currency or convert it to another currency at real exchange rate, or withdraw it to or from your local bank account. And you can also spend directly using the Wise debit card if it's available in your country. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.